We are the white coat army in the lab behind the scenes, trying to find cure for diseases, trying to find the best way to improve the life expectancy of people with terminal illness diseases.
In analytical chemistry, I guess it's about understanding what things are made of, or how much of something is present, or what things are present. Previous graduates in this area moved on to research degrees, both here in Huddersfield or in other institutions. They've worked as clinical scientists, in pharmaceutical analysis, in production. So they've made a wide variety of different things that they've worked on across different disciplines and different sectors.
I thought of going to an industry where I will utilize my knowledge to make this world better, because there are so many pollutions out there and we have to test those things for ensuring their safety and to remove the hazard from the products.
It's a full year course. At the end of their course, they do a research project, and that really does get them into the labs using the pieces of equipment, and not just using them, but understanding why they're using them, what they're using them for, and to use them in an appropriate manner.
You are dealing with the latest technology, the latest methods.
I think the University of Huddersfield offering a lab that is very much designed for the modern world, and the instruments are in there are expensive and sophisticated, but they are welcoming you to use it.